My name is Carl Harrison. I'm Professor of Practice in Forensic Investigation at the University of Exeter, and I'm heading up the new Master of Science in Forensic Investigation. The programme is rooted in the Department of History and Archaeology, but we draw primarily on the specialism of forensic archaeology and forensic anthropology as niche disciplines within forensic science. And using those, we present a challenging talk programme to look at crime scene management and coordination, primarily within major crime scenes. So the programme is being developed to meet the needs of UK police forces' crime scene management requirements. Crime scene managers are the people within UK policing who write the forensic strategies. They're the people who attend crime scenes and have to come up with a solution. It's relatively challenging to teach people how to write the strategies that address those challenges. And those are the people that we're hoping to equip for the future. There are two key differences to the way in which this course is being delivered at the University of Exeter compared with courses delivered elsewhere. The first is the clear focus on strategy over process, to develop critical thinking and problem solving in this area around the most challenging and largest, most major of crime scenes. And the second is the clear focus on forensic archaeology and anthropology, and through that on the niche disciplines of forensic ecology as a window into major crime investigation. It might be soils evidence or pollen or diatoms in water systems, all of which form part of predominantly outdoor crime scenes, but also feature in indoor crime scenes, and therefore present different evidential opportunities. Another key feature is its links to practice. I'm still active in casework, so I will assist police forces in major crime scenes. The course is immediately informed by current affairs within UK policing and criminal investigation and international developments in forensic science. The course will be based at the Streatham campus. We're in the process of developing our crime scene spaces that will be the physical learning spaces in which you will learn how to process and manage major crime scenes. A vast range of skills are required to construct a really competent crime scene manager or crime scene coordinator. It's about a critical eye to physical evidence.